Cindy, I love visiting your kitchen.
Oh,
So today, so you do such fun things. So today you've taken a sausage dip and made it healthy. How'd you do that?
well, I figured you just need another protein, and the way to go was, I thought, with going with lentils. Some people might have gone with chickpeas, but lentils have a little bit woodier flavor. So,
Closer to the sausage.
yeah, kind of, yeah.
All right, fabulous.
You've grabbed a spatula. I'm going to let you do this
Okay.
one. All right.
What do we have in here?
We've got some cottage cheese right there.
And
okay.
gonna put in the lentils?
Put in the lentils.
These are pre-cooked?
They're pre-cooked. You cook your lentils for about 7 minutes in salted water. Start with a boil, then turn it down lower. We add in some red onion.
Red onions and cloves.
Fresh corn. And some tomatoes with green chilies. If you'd like to kick it up, and I always do, you know I like that. Add some nice jalapenos into it. Now we've got two different versions of how we're going to present this, and one is just in a bowl with pita chips, and the other one is in a carved out cooked squash.
I love how you do that. That is such a clever idea.
So we're not going to waste anything, and what we're going to do is we're going to add in what I carved out as well, because that's okay. Just would you first spoon? We're just going to add it on. Add it all in there together. Here,
So keep mixing it.
Yeah, here we go. Look,
That's better.
Okay. There we go. Now it's best once this is all mixed up. The recipe calls for it that you throw it into the microwave, which helps
Melt that cream cheese?
melt the cream cheese.
Or cottage cheese.
Okay. Not cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Yeah. And you can do that, but I find if you just, put a little elbow grease in here and mix it up, and then let it stay in the refrigerator for a couple of hours and let it marinate a little bit. Also, what's good in here, I seem to be missing it, is cilantro.
Cilantro, perfect.
Now, if you don't like cilantro, use parsley instead. So you've got the yellow, the red,
all the pretty colors.
All the pretty colors.
This is the spaghetti squash. Mm-hmm. That is perfect. And we didn't waste any food. One of Cindy's favorite tips. And
no, but if somebody wanted to dip in and eat, this one wasn't really carved out all the way, so you could still continue to eat the interior of that one.
And it's healthy. You're not putting it in a loaf of bread.
No,
Cindy, these are lovely.
Now here's the other version, and
there's the cilantro.
I used red lentils. There's 5 different versions of lentils.
Can I try one?
Yeah, go right ahead. Lentils are indigenous to Central and Western Asia. You'll find them used in, Italians use it in minestrone. It's used in soups and stews.
Cindy, this is delicious.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's an excellent source of vitamin B. It's just good for you. It's a great substitute for meat.
And it's delicious.
And
thank you so much.
I don't think anybody would know the difference.
No. Ooh, just got a kick. Thanks, Cindy.
Oh, good. Okay, great. Glad you like it.